guys, it's Dee here. Hope you're all doing well. So today's video, as you can see by the title below, is going to be an orange smoky glittery eye. My inspiration for today's look is obviously the gorgeous South Indian girls around me and all these like South Indian actresses, the ladies in my life who are South Indian. Everyone's look is just unique to themselves, but everyone's got something quite similar, which is in a lot of movies, which are smoky eyes, very flawless, glowy, skin like skin, very minimal. So I feel like me popping on glitter is a little bit extra, but I thought, you know, in this modern day and time, why not? So yeah, if you guys want to see how this look turned out, then just keep watching. Bye. Okay guys, so straight away we're going to move into the gradient color and just make sure that we get that crease nice and blended out. So again, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and we'll take this peach shade over here, which is almost finished because I absolutely love this shade. I'm just going to take a blending brush like this, and we're just going to place this into the crease and blend it out as a gradient shade. And you want to go in windshield wiper motions in the crease, and then in the outer V you want to do round circular motions, so we can blend out any differences between the concealer and the foundation around the eye, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this palette over here. It has like 28 colors in it. So I'm going to be taking this shade over here, which is kind of like a burnt orange brownie shade. And I'm just going to be taking that into the crease just to create more depth. So I'm focusing that into the crease and also in the outer V. Just going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. So we're going to get straight onto it with the glitter. I'm just going to be taking this orange glittery shade right here. Using my finger, I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And as you can see, it is quite pigmented. This palette, like I said in my last video, is absolutely amazing. I'm trying to focus this shade in the center of the eyelid as well as the inner corner. It's like glittery, like the right amount of glitter and sheen. So my camera just died, so I had to change everything up. But now that we're back, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette again. And I'm going to be taking the same peach shade again. Just going to be blending out the edges just so that we can get it a little bit more soft. By the way, you guys, I was so wrong. This actually has quite a bit of fallout. Even when I blend, I have to be so gentle because it's like moving all over the place. Okay, so the sun is out. This is a great sign because I feel like the look is actually turning out quite nice. But just to continue this video, I did just want to mention, because I don't think I did at the start of the video, but I had already done my eyebrows, obviously. I fill them in quite heavily because I do find that South Indian actresses do have quite bold eyebrows, along with their very flawless, glowy, basic skin, so they don't really contour or anything like that. That's why I just popped on a bit of blush, and then at the end of the video I will be going in and putting on some highlight just to give that glow back into the skin so it looks more skin-like. But yeah, and then at the end of the video I'll show you guys what I did with my lips because I'll be keeping that quite basic as well. But yeah, now to move on, I'm going to be using my BYS matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that black shade again like I did in my previous video. And if you guys haven't seen my previous video, then the link will just be over here. So I'm going to be using this as my eyeliner like I did in my last video, hence why I mentioned it. So again, this has quite a bit of fallout, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this flat brush like this over here, which is a bit angled, and I'm going to be lining my eyes. So I'm just giving it a smoky effect, not really going anything precise. I have to be so gentle with this because again, there's so much fallout, but also I'm not good at eyeliner, so this is me trying really hard not to mess up. Okay, so that's one eye done. I'm gonna go and concentrate on the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and just like my last video, I'm just going to be taking the same palette again, and I'm going to be taking the upper shade over here, which is not really black, but it's like grey. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to just smoke out the lower lash line because I do feel like South Indian actresses do have that smoky lash line. And what's really good about this brush is that it actually like diffuses the product as I go, as well as making me cry right now. So I'm just going to blend that into the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as we saw in my last video, without mascara the look just isn't complete. It just does not work out, it just doesn't look normal. So I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara, and this is in the Smoky Black range. So I'm just going to coat my lashes with this. Okay guys, so that's one eye done, which is just the top lashes. I'm gonna do the bottom lashes as well, and then I'm probably gonna do a second coat, so I'm just gonna do that and I'll be right back. I'm gonna do something with my lips off camera and probably just keep it quite basic, not really do anything different. I will come back with my hair and makeup done, with my outfit on, and I will show you guys the finished look. Okay you guys, so I'm up close and personal, but this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think it turned out pretty nice actually, not terrible. I did keep the skin quite glowy, quite simple, not too extravagant, not too extra, no contour, no highlight, kept it very basic. And then the lips quite simple as well, and I've just gone ahead and put a bindi on as well. So actually trick to that is I used a pinpoint brush and just put some lipstick that I'm actually wearing on my lips onto my forehead so it matches it. But yeah, and then just went ahead and put some jewelry on, and then I've got this sari on right here. It's very South Indian, so I will show you guys what that looks like. If you slightly enjoyed this video, please like this video, comment it down below, message me on Instagram, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!